ಅದು ಗೋಲ್ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಂव रात वचून येयल्लो हांव हर्षर आय डिडंट गो वेन टू मच पब्लिसिटी टू प्रेस आसता मागीर तें नाका पूण हर्षे गेल्लो मुगे आनी तेगे जायत फावट डिस्कशन जातालें ऑन वेरियस इश्यूज ही वॉज अ क्रिटीक एट टायम्स ऑफ मायंड एश करपा जाय तेश करपा जाय म्हणटालो बट हीज थॉट वॉज गूड कितें आहा जाण टू सी some of the priests, some of the activists have a good mind. So what is good, we have to appreciate. And he had some good things in his mind. Maybe he was a bit blunt, he was a bit brash. But tege halle. I even, I आज लादीन दवरलेली सोवरांचेर पूण कोणा सांगो ना ती आज आमी आतां कोत्ताय म्हणटो कित्याक आमी कोत्ता म्हणलेली इन तर बरें जावपा जाय म्हणून आमी एक लादीन दवरलेली हांडी पुरसा कडेन आज म्हयन्याक सो आतां ती कोत्ताय आमी बट आय विश दॅट हीज soul rest in peace and his teachings or his sayings or his views inspire the younger generation, the students and those people who always feel, people like us always feel गोंय म्हणटे बरें उरपा जाय जावं एक म्हणजे एक गोंयकारांगी उरपा जाय so we also are of the same opinion. Let's hope that whatever he dreamt about, if not all, some of the things we wish they come true. We will certainly see that whatever best we can do, we will always do.